Hi, I'm Holly from Cater Quick, and in this video I'm going to show you some new features that we've got on our new CW8518 washing machine and what we've changed from the old machine to improve on the longevity of the machine and also the heavy dutiness of the machine. So starting with auto sensing, brand new feature. Basically the machine's going to detect what load size you've got in the drum. So say you've got one shirt in the drum or you've got a full load, the machine's going to know, and it's only going to add the right amount of water for the load size. So it's going to save you on water and also save you on time as well. Next, I'm going to talk to you about Water Plus. So links in a bit with the auto sensing. If you still want more water in that load, you can add more water. There's a button on the front just here, which is that one there. It's like a touchpad control, this machine, so you can press that and it'll add more water into the load. A lot of our customers wanted this feature because when they're washing big bulky items such as duvets or horse rugs, they need to get as much water into the middle of the rug or the duvet as possible so it can have a proper wash. So another new feature that we've got on this machine is quick wash. It's a quicker quick wash. So the last machine did a 46-minute quick wash. This one will do it in 31 minutes. So a quick wash is perfect for your daily washes. If you're on a horse yard using it for horse things, then you can just put your numbners, boots, bandages, that sort of thing in there on a quick wash and it's just 31 minutes. Or if it's just normal laundry, then you can just freshen them up with the quick wash for 31 minutes. We've also reduced the spin speed of the machine. So the old one used to spin at 1300 RPM. This one now spins at 800 RPM. The reason we've done this is we found that customers often spun the machine too much. So if you've got big items in there, heavy towels, duvets, horse rugs again, if you spin it too much, you're likely to either damage the load or over time you're going to damage the machine's bearings or the spider, and it's an expensive repair. But don't worry, 800 RPM is still plenty to get rid of most of the moisture out of the drum, and you're still going to save on your drying time. The reason being is it's got such a huge drum, it makes so much G-force when it spins that you just don't need to spin at 1300 RPM. So features that we've kept on the machine, popular features such as add steam, that still exists. So it's a gentle way of adding heat into the wash. It can get rid of stains, creases, and also helps activate your detergent. We've also kept delay wash, another handy feature where you can delay the wash to start when you get back. So if you're out at work all day, you can delay the wash to start for 8 hours, and then it'll start and finish upon your return. You can get the load straight out and it's not going to sit in there getting creased or damp. Another thing we've kept is obviously the pre-soak. Again, it's another popular one. If you want to pre-soak something, if it's really dirty like a sports kit or again a horse rug, you can pre-soak it in a cold soak. It'll do that, it'll drain that, then start its main cycle. So you're not using your detergent for all that dirt in there. You're going to get rid of it first. It's also got speed wash, so that just basically means you can reduce the time on the wash. So if I just show you here, if we turn the machine on and we select a wash, so we've got it on cotton wash, and if I want to reduce that time, you just press the speed wash button which is there and it's reduced it down to 1 hour and 18 minutes. Another feature that we've kept is the add a garment. So it's a very popular one. It means if you've dropped something, you can add it to the wash at any point. The best thing about the way our machine does this is that it drops the water to the door level so you can open the door. It also cools it down so you're obviously not going to burn yourself, and then you can add in whatever you've dropped or you've forgotten. Another good reason for using the add a garment is that if you want to just add something to the final spin and it's separate from the rest of the load, you can just add it in at that point. And just by pausing the machine, wait till it unlocks the door, add it in, press start, it'll start from where it left off. We've also got My Cycle, again a really handy feature, especially for businesses that use this machine, so hotels. You can select your desired wash. So it has 12 preset wash cycles. Each of the preset wash cycles you can change to however you want it to. So you can change the spin speed, you can change the temperature, and you can also change the soil level on the machine. So if I chose, I wanted to do cotton wash and I wanted on extra heavy soil, I just want to wash it warm and I'll have it on a high spin speed. I can then save that cycle by holding down the My Cycle button for 3 seconds or until you hear the beep, and that's saved now. So any staff that are using the machine can come along, it can be on whatever setting, and when you press My Cycle, it's going to go back to your saved wash and then they just press start. That's also handy for places that you're going to charge for a wash. So if you want to add it to for a livery yard who want to wash horse rugs, you can just tell them to use the MyCycle, press start, and you can charge a certain amount from that. So you're going to always know what your cost of a wash is and what your profits are from doing that as well. Now I'm going to talk to you about some improvements we've made to the actual machine itself. So what we've got is new features on the door. So if you look here, we've got a new latch on the door. It's metal, not plastic. We found a lot of customers that slam the door would break the plastic and then have to buy a new one. It's also much more heavy duty, so the plastic on the door, it's less likely to break when it's being handled, or we know when it's in a commercial environment, obviously it's getting opened and closed quite a lot. That can break, but we have improved that. Another one is the hinge on the machine. So that's again more heavy duty, and it just means that when people lean on the door or they throw the wet towels on the door, it's not gonna break. I mean, I'm not gonna recommend you stand on it, but it won't break. Another one that we had feedback from the old machine is occasionally it would leak down the front of the machine. We've improved this by we've put a channel in the door seal, so that now if the water runs down the door, it goes straight down that channel and into the drain, so that won't happen anymore. Another improvement that we've made to the door seal is the add steam. So on our previous machine, it used to be a plastic part that could often, if you had like a snag on your duvet, that could get caught on it and then it would rip it. So we've improved that. It's now just a rubber part on the door seal, so it won't get snagged on that. So another thing that we've done, we're always trying to encourage our customers to maintain the machine properly. The last thing anybody wants, us included, is an expensive call out fee. So I'll show you emptying the filter. You just need a shallow pan and a flathead screwdriver or a coin, something that you can pop open the front of the machine. That comes off, and we've now got a handy little spout on the machine, so you're not going to spill water all over your premises, and that goes directly into the shallow pan. You're not going to flood anywhere. You then turn the filter anti-clockwise and then pull it out, and then you can obviously empty anything that's in there. And then when you put it back in, just be careful. There's a notch on the filter that you need to line up properly. Put it in and then you turn it clockwise until you feel no resistance. So you're not going to get any leaks. And then it just closes. And lastly, but most importantly, we have a new maintenance sticker on our machine. So whoever's using the machine, they know who to call if it breaks down, or if they need advice on what to wash or what wash cycle to use. We've got our phone number there. We're open 8 till 8, 7 days a week. You can scan the QR code, that'll call us directly. And it's also got some helpful tips on how to maintain the washing machine and what you need to do to keep it in full working order. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for any more videos, and if you need us, you need any advice, please don't hesitate to call us on 01229 480001. We are open 8 till 8, 7 days a week, and everyone will be happy to help you.